Hi, this is Sayali. Today's project is to recycle an old ply and create something unique. This is my old ply, but not in a very good condition. I want to make two peacock feathers on it. I am using Fevicryl clay for it. Wherever the ply is chipped on its edges, apply the same clay. Complete the feathers and then color it using Fevicryl acrylic colors. The color combination is green and blue and the feathers are golden. The center part of the feathers is green, but paint will not look good, so I am using glitter powder. Apply Fevicol and then sprinkle the glitter powder. Let's pour some clear resin on the glitter part. After using resin, keep it for 24 hours without moving. When the resin thickens, you can clean it easily using a dusting cloth. On the acrylic colors, you can use clear varnish. And thus, my recycle project is done with some Moti stickers on it. Please do comment and tell me what do you think. If you like my channel, do subscribe, like, share and comment. Have a nice day.